Benvenuti. Welcome to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and today I'm with 10 easy words of Italian. If you all want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day. So let's begin at today's class. Our first phrase is Come ti chiami? What's your name? Come ti chiami? What's your name? Come, what's, chiami, your name. Mi chiamo. My name is Sarah. Mi chiamo Sarah. My name is Sarah. Say mi chiamo, then add your name. Practice it one time. Mi chiamo, and then add your name. Say it. Next one is va bene. Okay. Va bene. Okay. Focus on the pronunciation of bene. Va bene. Okay. Please remember these phrases and use them in your daily routine. Next one is permesso. Excuse me. Permesso. When passing through a crowd or on transportation. When you pass through someone, you can say permesso. Excuse me. Repeat after me if you want and say it louder. Permesso. Excuse me. Permesso. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 or 2 or 3 minutes. Next one is scusa. Excuse me. Scusa is excuse me. Mi dispiace. I'm sorry. I am dispiace. Sorry. Scusa is excuse me and mi dispiace means I'm sorry. Next one is come stai. Come stai? How are you? And come va means how it's going. How's it going? Come va? How's it going? And come stai? How are you? Repeat after me if you want. Come stai is how are you, and come va is how it's going. Now let's move on to our next phrase. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. Next one is tutto bene. This is the answer of come va or come stai. You can say tutto bene, all is well. Tutto, all, bene, well. Next one is non lo so, I don't know. Non lo so, I don't know. Repeat after me if you want. Tutto bene is all is well, and non lo so is I don't know. Please make sure you remember these phrases today and try to use them in your daily routine with your friends or colleagues or siblings. Now, if you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. And my channel name is Language with Sarah. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.